The little bluebird who learned to listen. High up in an oak tree lived a young bluebird named Sky. Sky was always in a hurry and thought she knew everything there was to know about flying. When her mother tried to teach her about watching out for hawks or finding the best berries, Sky would just flutter her wings impatiently. I already know how to fly, she would chirp, and I can find food all by myself. One sunny morning, Sky saw some delicious looking red berries on a bush she had never noticed before. Without asking her mother about them, she swooped down to eat them. Just before she could take a bite, she heard a gentle voice. Wait, little one! It was Mrs. Robin, an older bird who lived nearby. Those berries may look tasty, but they can make birds very sick. Your mother warned me about them just yesterday. Sky felt her feathers grow warm with embarrassment. She realized that if she had listened to her mother's lessons about berries, she would have known which ones were safe to eat. Thank you, Mrs. Robin, Sky said softly. I guess I should have paid more attention to my mother's teachings. From that day on, Sky became a better listener. She learned that everyone, no matter how young or old, had something valuable to teach. Her mother shared all sorts of wonderful secrets about the forest, like where to find the juiciest worms and how to spot approaching storms. By the end of summer, Sky had grown into a wise young bird. Now, when she saw other young birds rushing around, she would smile and share what she had learned. That wisdom comes not just from flying high, but from taking the time to listen and learn from others. The end.